How to use voiceover feature in Lightcut. Want to add narration or commentary? The voiceover feature is perfect in Lightcut, and let's see how to do it. First, tap voiceover in the timeline, then tap record. Speak clearly into your microphone while Lightcut records directly onto the clip. You can pause, re-record, or adjust the volume afterward. Record in a quiet environment to minimize background noise and make your narration clearer. Do you usually add voiceovers to your videos? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can use voiceover feature in Lightcut. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.